Aloha. This is Ian with DGI Construction. A lot of construction companies, they have a process of how they're taking leads and turning it into estimates and then proposals. We're going to have John, our estimator here at DGI Construction, explain to you how we run our opportunities in Contractor Foreman. That's the first place that we take leads that we're getting from Building Connected. We're getting leads from different architectural firms, from different companies that send us leads. We funnel everything to the opportunities tab in Contractor Foreman. So let's get into the video.
So as a contractor foreman software is a very useful tool for everyone who wants to have a construction business. So here, as you can see here on my screen, we have a menu. So whenever you get a project opportunity, you're invited to bid. So you go to opportunities. So you click opportunities, and once you have the project, you want to click the plus sign button and add some project names, project customers, and here the contact of the customers. So as you can see, if we, for example, we have Corey and Janelle as our contact. So we type here residential project, for example. So here you can see the contact and the title of the project, and we have the opportunity ID. So these are the numbers of the opportunities that we have already built, and we have a project type. Say for example, this is residential, and we have here a stage. So we have here a new lead for this one, and say for example, we have the project street, we put it here, like say for example Springville. It automatically fill up its form. And here say for example, we have some leads that was taken from contractor or any sort of website. So we click it here, and here we have a score, like how much likely we're about to win this project. So we have like 3 for this one, since we don't know the percentage of how much are we going to win. So here is estimated value. You can put here, so for example, $100,000. This one, estimated sales date. It means that you're about to create an opportunity. So say for example, we have a date of February 1, so you make it February 1, and you have a bid due date. Most of the bid due dates were 2 weeks from now or 3 weeks from now. So say we have a bid due date of 10. And here, expected start date. So since we are bidding this one, so expected start date should be like around on March, say for example. And end date, say for example, they have like 1 month or 2 months for this. So let's say it's on May. So description, it's whatever you see on the description of the project, you copy paste it here and your own personal notes. So once we have here all the notes, you can upload all the files on here of the attachment. So say for example, we have a file name here. Say for example, we have here the estimates or the project name. So we're gonna click upload this one. So once uploaded, you go to save, and once save, You wanna click details, and yeah, it's all saved. So you have here the opportunity residential project from Corey and Janelle. It's 100,000. So you have the status of new lead created estimate, and video date would be on February 10th.
John, why do we use opportunities though? Like, why in Contractor Foreman? Why do we use the opportunities tab?
Yeah, we want to create opportunities because we can start an estimate on it, and we can monitor the status of each opportunities. And you do have the
Let's
bid due
go.
dates, the expected start date, the end date, and you have the value for it.
There you
And you
go.
can,
There
yeah,
you
you
go.
have the referral source, and yeah, you can add some notes on it. So it's very important to make an opportunity, because whenever you start an estimate, you make sure that it comes from opportunities.
There you go, man. There you go. I like it. So
Yeah,
that's why we use opportunities in the Contractor Foreman software under our company DGI Construction, because it allows us to do more of the sales portion, and then you can create an estimate from the opportunities and get that done. Is that correct?
yeah,
Let's
that's correct.
go!
Yeah,
Guys, subscribe to the channel if you like what you hear. Comment down below if you want to learn more about how we do things here in DGI Construction. Subscribe, like this video, give us a big thumbs up, and until next time, guys, DGI Construction. Let's go. We gotta do the shaka, bro.
yeah.